Arslan Iftikhar and you are watching Video ID. Well, Windows 10 is a mysterious operating system. Developers of Windows have added many hidden features, just like Windows 10 Hidden File Explorer. Now, here are top 5 Windows 10 hidden features. Now let's get started. Number 1. God mode. In order to access God mode, all we have to do is to copy this command. Now right click on the desktop, click new folder and rename it to the code that I have given to you. The code will be given in the description. Voila! Now you have access to Windows 10 settings. This God mode contains all Windows 10 settings. Number 2. Slide to shut down Windows 10. In order to use this feature, you have to do a lot of different work. Now go to your drive where Windows is installed. Next, your Windows folder. Now find System 32 folder. Now search for slide. Now copy this slide to shut down executable file on your desktop. Now open it. Now you can shut down your computer by just sliding it down. Number 3. Windows 10 Hidden File Explorer. Well, this is very useful. You can get everything at one place. Now in order to create this Hidden File Explorer, you need a path. So the path will be given in the description. Now let's see how to create it. Now copy this path and right click on the desktop, click new, click on shortcut and paste that path here. Click next. Now click next. Now you have access to Windows 10 Hidden File Explorer. Of course, click. Number 4. Windows 10 emoji keyboard. Now in order to get access to Windows 10 emoji keyboard, all we have to do is to press Windows key and period. Now you have access to Windows 10 emoji keyboard. Number 5. Making your command prompt transparent. In order to create your command prompt transparent, all we have to do is to right click on the title bar of the command prompt, click on properties, go to colors tab and change the opacity level. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.